Dear friends, welcome to another tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find and set the Who Can See Your Phone Number on Telegram option. Whether you want to restrict access only to your contacts or open it to everyone, today we'll learn together step by step how to customize these settings according to our preferences. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app. Then, in the top left corner of the screen, tap on the menu icon. In the menu, select the Settings option. Once in the settings, find the Privacy and Security option and tap on it. Now, in the Privacy section, tap on the Phone Number option. We've reached the end. Now, it's just a matter of choosing one of these three options. I'll choose My Contacts. After you make your selection, tap on the check mark in the top right corner. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like it and of course, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.